Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adavad, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and today we'll be talking about sprint series for grade 10th ICSE boards, and the topic for today is trigonometry. I can see you must be seeing that, sir, your background is changed and there is no Vedantu background today. So actually I am out of my house today at some friend's place. So because of that, the background is not there. So, but as you all know, sessions will never go unnoticed. I try my best. If there is any technical difficulty, then that is some other issue. But always, if possible, let's the session. What do we say? Let the session be continued. Right? Session should not be disturbed because I know how much uh, do you take the note of the timetable and you come on time and you watch the session. So that is very important for us. So once again, thank you so much. And let us start the class now. So the topic for today is trigonometry, and this is the first session. So we'll be solving the questions related to it. But before that, let's discuss the homework question of previous class. So the homework question of the previous class is: a tent is in the shape of a right circular cylinder up to a height of 3 meter and conical above it. The total height of the tent is 13.5 meter. Radius of its base is 14 meter. Find the cost of cloth required to make the tent at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. Okay. All right. And they have told take pi as 22 by 7. So clearly the question is very easy. See what they are asking to us. See, we have a tent. Okay. Which is cylinder. Up to some height it is cylinder. Like this. And above cylinder it is conical. Above that it is conical. All right. The total height of this tent they have given us 13.5 meter. It is cylinder up to a height of 3 meters. So obviously the remaining height will be the height of the cone. So height of the cone will be 13.5 minus 3, which is 10.5 meters. So we have got height of the cone as 10.5 meters. All right. Radius of the base is given as 14 meters. So this is 14. So radius for the cylinder as well as the radius for the cone will also be 14. All right. Now we need to find out the cost of cloth required to make the tent. So I can clearly say, so tent will be used in making the CSA curved surface of this cone as well as the curved surface of the cylinder. So I can say required cloth will be equal to curved surface for the cone is pi r L plus curved surface of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now for the cylinder I know 2 pi radius and h height of the cylinder, but for the cone slant height is not given. So we have to find out the slant height by doing L is equal to square root of 10.5 whole square plus 14 whole square. Alright, so you'll get the value of L. So when we'll solve this, the value of L you are going to get as 17.5 meter. Now pi r L plus 2 pi r h, put the values, you're getting the answer as 1034 meter square. So once we have got the value of CSA as 1034 meter square, multiply that with 80, you will get your answer. Alright, so this is how you have to understand it with the help of diagram. So here you are getting 17.5. So you can say, sir, I can take pi r common. So L plus 2h. So pi into radius is 14 into L is 17.5 plus 2 into h. H is the height of the cylinder. So 2 into 3. Alright. So 22 by 7 into 14 into 2 into 3 is 6. So 23.5. Multiply all that, you have got your answer 1034. And multiply that with 80, you will get your cost. Alright. So this is how this question will be done. Very easy question. Now today we'll be talking about the problems based on trigonometric identities and based on heights and distances. Basic problems we are going to solve in today's class. All right, very easy problems. Don't worry much. Very easy parts. All right. So this is the schedule right now. As you can clearly see, we are in the last slide right now. We had many sessions starting from 8 February, and those who have missed any of these sessions of any of the topics, you can clearly see the date is mentioned over here. With the time, you can just go to that video and check out the session. All right. So today we are over here, trigonometry part 1. Okay, and the next session will be on trigonometry. Then the next two sessions are on statistics, and then it will be on probability. So the last session will be on 26 February. All right, every day 7 p.m. This is the schedule for your physics, then schedule for chemistry, schedule for biology, schedule for SST, and for English. All right. So let us start the class now. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe it. All right, and like the video as well. So the quote for today is now never forget why you started. It is a very important thing to remember. Sometimes when your goal is too big, or sometimes when your goal is too difficult, so what happens is many people, this is not I'm talking about any exam or something, about any goal you might have. See, there is no person in the world who does not have a dream or who does not have any goal. Every person you'll see, they have a goal, they have a dream. But many are not able to reach to get their goal or to reach to their goal because they get tired in the journey, in between the journey. They think, oh my god, I don't think I am able to do it. I don't know whether I'll be able to do it. It is too tough. Not everyone is able to do it. He was not able to do it. How can I do? I have so many problems. I have to think about this as well. I have to think about this. So many limitations I have. I don't have that opportunity like he got. So these are all the things which you'll get in between, and these makes you think, these all these thoughts in your mind, they make you lose the focus, and you leave the goal. You think it is unachievable, and you'll leave that part, but that is where you are making mistake. Remember this thing better very clearly. I'm telling you, many people are not able to reach their goal, not because they are not competent enough. They are well qualified, they are well competent, but the thing is, they leave the hope in between. That is the main issue. They forget that why they started. Don't, if it must be, it must have been very important to you, that is why you have started it, right? So if you have started it, why you are leaving it without finishing it? All right, so always remember that you have started any of your goal or any reason where you are working for, you have started it because of some, for some reason. Never forget that reason. All right, and that reason is only going to be your motivation. Those students, many, see, I know in the market of online education, motivation videos work like anything, and I don't have any problem with it unless and until students take it in a positive way and don't waste their time over there. Okay, but what I do believe is the real motivated students, I don't think there will be um, a topper students, topper of CBSE or topper of IITG or topper of any examination, who will come and say ki every day I used to watch 3 motivation videos to get the motivation for the exam. Do you think there will be any topper? No, no topper. Okay, I'm not saying they would have never seen. They would have seen motivation videos. It's not like they never would have seen. Everyone requires it, but that would be like once or twice in a month they watched any topper videos or something like that. All right, or some teacher's motivation story they have listen. That is all right, but it is not like every day 2 or 3 only motivation videos you are watching and all that. So that is not a good thing. All right. So motivation comes from within, and the motivation is the reason why you started. All right, now let us start with today's class. The first question is, the height of a tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. So height of the tree, let's say, sir, this is your tree. Its height is root 3 times the length of its shadow. So if the length of the shadow is x, height of the tree will be root 3x. So they are saying angle of elevation of the sun. Angle of elevation of the sun means the angle at which sun rays falls on the ground. That means this angle, theta. So I can say for this theta, root 3x is perpendicular. This is base. So I can say so tan theta is coming as root 3x upon x. That is root 3. Tan theta is coming as root 3. That means theta must be equal to 60 degree. Done. Khatam. What else? Nothing. All right. Easy question. Next one, state true or false. Sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 1. अब in this question, if anyone is telling me sir it is false, तो फिर तो छोड़ दो, leave the studies, मतलब ही नहीं है करने का भाई. Simple basic identities, 3 basic identities. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta into cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Direct identities. And tan square theta into cot square theta, reciprocal of each other. 1. Done. True. What else? Simple. Yeah, tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. Multiplication of them will be equal to 1. Simple. So answer is true, sir. Alright. Next one. A kite is attached to a string. The length of the string when the height of the kite is 60 meter. Okay, find the length of the string when the height of the kite is 60 meter. Remember, height of the kite means perpendicular height. Height is always perpendicular. So the perpendicular distance of the kite from the ground is called the height of the kite. And the string makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Suppose this is the ground, kite is somewhere over here. So height of the kite is given over here. Height of the kite is 60 meters. And the string is making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So this is perpendicular as I have told you. So we have to find out the length of the string. That means this length. Let's say L, we need to find it out. So for this theta, if I take 30 degree as my theta, perpendicular is known and we have to find out the hypotenuse. So I can say, sir, use sine theta. So I can say sine 30 degree will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is L. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 60 by L. L is equal to 16 into 2, which is 120 meters. So the length of the string is what? 120 meters. All right, simple. Next question. A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to M, and A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to N. Then prove that M square plus N square is equal to A square plus B square. अब देखो, in this question, what I thought, sir, no other option rather than solving for M square plus N square. Let's see what is M square plus N square, because they have given me the value of M and N. So M square will be A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square, plus N square will be A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. All right. So now it should become what? It will become A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB sin theta cos theta. A square plus B square, A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly, A minus B whole square is, so A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta. Alright, beta here if you will see, dekho, 2AB sin theta cos theta cancelled with this minus 2AB sin theta cos theta. And now let's take the term A square terms common. A square terms, let us take them common. So I can say, sir, A square cos square theta I have over here, and here I have A square sin square theta, and here I have B square sin square theta, and here I'm left with B square cos square theta. These are the four terms left. Take A square common, I'm writing over here. So A square, if I take common, I'll be getting cos square theta plus sin square theta. And if I take B square common, I'll be getting sin square theta plus cos square theta. And simple identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we have got A square into 1 plus B square into 1. So finally it is A square plus B square. Simple. So we have got LHS is equal to RHS. Clearly say, hence proved. Done. Easy question. Alright. This is how this question can be solved. Very easy. Alright. So we have started with LHS and solved it to simplify it to get the value of RHS. So in these two proof type of questions now beta, simple thing is start with LHS and try to simplify that part. Whatever steps, here simple algebra while solving equations, whatever you are going to do, just solve that and try to see what is present on the RHS side and accordingly start doing the operations. That is how you solve the different questions. All right. Now, before I move ahead, let me tell you that right now at Vedantu, you have a wonderful opportunity in which you are getting 50% off on the subscription, Vedantu Pro subscription. So 50% off. After that, what will be the price? Everything I'm going to tell you. But let's see what are the features. Those who are new here, those who don't know. See, the first feature is you'll be getting unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. That means you will be able to attend as many live classes as you want. There is no limit on the live classes and all the classes are filled with fun and high level quizzes. Second thing is you'll be able to compete with the students throughout the world, because the students are from the different corners of the world, right? So you'll be able to see where do you stand. Third thing is interactive replay. See, suppose in online classes you have the feature of watching the recording. Sometimes recordings become boring and we do understand it. That is why we have created interactive replays in which you will be able to attend the quizzes of in that recording. Whatever quizzes I have given in the session, you'll be able to attend those quizzes. you will get marks for that, and if you're doing good, you'll be able to see your name in the leaderboard as well. So you'll not feel like you're watching a recording. Instead, you'll feel like you're watching a live class only. All right, because your knowledge you'll be able to test, you'll be able to answer the questions, you'll be getting your marks, everything you're going to do what you'll be feeling like in a live class. All right, then whatever I have taught, you can download that as notes, and in my own handwriting, so solution and all, you'll be able to remember, okay, sir has told this point, this was an important question, all that you're going to remember, all that. All right, and then remember this thing, by obviously doubts are there. So how do we tackle doubts? So we have a special we have a dedicated teacher to take care of your doubts. They will be taking care of all your doubts. You just have to ask your doubts, and other than that, there will be tests and assignments for you, so that you can practice more and more problems. You don't feel lagged over there as well. So no need to search thousands of sites to look for good questions relevant to your board examination. All of that we are going to prepare, we are going to give it to you. And 5,000 plus micro courses and free cash course for competitive examinations. All these are free of cost. 5,000 plus micro courses on different topics, variety of topics. You can choose any course you want and finish that topic. No need to pay anything extra. Crash courses, that is special revision courses, no need to pay anything extra. You can appear in any of those. All right, so remember, less is more, less price, more classes. So right now, as I have told you, 50% off is going on. So you can register for it by mentioning it, by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. What you need to do is just go over here on, let's say you have gone to this YouTube channel. All right, now in the pinned comment you can see there is a link over here, or in the description box. If you come over here, the subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, click on this link. Once you will click on this link. Now here, select your grade, the grade 9th, grade 10th, whatever it is, CBSE, ICSE, Maharashtra board, anything. Okay, suppose if I choose ICSE 2021, now here it will be showing proceed to pay. Click on proceed to pay. Here, if I apply the coupon code GPE Pro and click on apply, you can clearly see I'm getting 50% off. So now it is only 1300 rupees, 1350 rupees from 2700. All right, so you can clearly see 50% off right now, a very good opportunity, and this is a limited period offer. So it is not like now always it will be like this. This is a limited period offer. It should be like one day you wake up and you will plan, today I'm going to take the Vedantu subscription, but the price you have to pay some extra because the course, the discount part is gone. So please don't wait for that. Now is the good time. You can take the subscription course, and 1 month is good enough. If you'll prepare well enough, you can do your whole course. All right, so this is all. And when you'll take this course, this is how you are going to see your schedule. You can see the previous classes as well by clicking on here on the past one. All right, here you can see, you can click on the get notes part as well, and you will be able to see the notes for the session, previous session. All right, whatever teacher has done, see here in my handwriting, all of that you can see over here. Okay beta. All right, other than that, suppose if you want to watch the replay, so click over here on replay. So this will be the replay in which you will just be watching the recording, but if you want to answer the quizzes questions as well, click on try alternate replay. When you click on try alternate replay, now with this view you will be able to see the options over here. Click on the correct option which you want, and then you can proceed further. All right, so all these features you are going to get in this price, which is very good. So remember, the coupon code for you is GPE Pro. All right, to get 50% off, limited period offer. Very frankly, I'm saying. All right, chalo, let's go for the next question. The next question is, prove that tan square A minus tan square B is sin square A minus sin square B upon cos square A cos square B. So what I did over here, beta, see, and as you all know, I will start with LHS. Okay, so my LHS side, I have tan square A minus tan square B. Now see, what do you think, sir, of what to simplify over here? So shall we use the formula of A square minus B square as A plus B into A minus B, or what should be done? Now see, what I'll tell you, look at the RHS. The RHS is only in the form of sine and cos, nothing else. And that to sine square, cos square, sine square A, sine square B, cos square A, cos square B. So can I convert this tan in the form of sine and cos? Yes, tan is nothing but sine by cos. So tan square will be sine square by cos square. So it will be equal to sine square A upon cos square A minus sine square B upon cos square B. Alright. Now take LCM. Take LCM over here. So cos square A, cos square B will be the common denominator. And here, if I want to get cos square A, cos square B, I have to multiply cos square B over here. So here I will get sine square A into cos square B minus, here I have sine square B, and here I have to multiply to make common denominator with cos square A. So into cos square A. So now you can clearly see in the RHS part, the denominator has been created. Cos square A into cos square B has been created. So I'm not going to touch the denominator now, that has been created. I need to simplify that numerator. I need to simplify that numerator. So what I'll do for that, I saw, sir, I don't want cos square B, cos square A. Cos terms I don't want. I want only the terms of sine over there. So we know that beta 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square theta. So I can use that same identity over here. Sine square A, cos square B I can write as 1 minus sine square B minus of sine square B is over here, and cos square A I can write it as 1 minus sine square A whole divided by cos square A into cos square B. So what we are getting, sine square A into 1 is sine square A. Sine square A minus sine square B is minus sine square A sine square B. Then minus sine square B, and negative into negative will become positive, plus sine square A sine square B whole divided by cos square A upon cos square B into cos square B. And now you can see the magic, minus sine square A sine square B got cancelled with plus sine square A sine square B. And finally our answer, sine square A minus sine square B whole divided by cos square A into cos square B, which is my RHS. And now I'm very happy to write that, hence proved. How easy it is. Alright. So always look at the start with LHS and look towards RHS, that what you want to prove, and accordingly start solving it. Alright. So with the steps I'm telling you my thinking about how when I get to know, how do I get to know that I have to convert it in the form of sine and cos, and then cos I need to remove, because I was always looking at RHS and I always looked at what I want to create over there. That is the most important part when you're solving questions related to trigonometric identities, because what students will tell me is that we don't know how to solve identity questions. Sometimes we'll not understand how to proceed further. So for that, the important thing is you always look at the RHS, what is RHS, and try to create that RHS using LHS. That is the rule. All right. Okay. Chalo, let's go for the next question. Now see, look at this question. 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 2. Alright, what it is saying, 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 2. Prove that 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to plus minus 3. Ab dekho, clearly one part is 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta. Okay. So, and the other part is 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta. Ab yahan pe notice karna beta, notice one thing. 2 sine theta, by coefficient of sine theta here is 2. In the other equation, coefficient of cos theta is 2. Here coefficient of cos theta is 3. Here coefficient of sine theta is 3. And here it is plus, here it is minus. So whenever these type of things you see, whenever these type of things, alright, whenever you see these type of things with sine and cos, or sec and tan, with sec and tan, it will not work. Mostly these kind of questions are with sine and cos only. So what you remember is, see, I know by 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is given, and suppose 2 sine theta and 3 cos theta, some values are there, it's equal to 2 given, and I need to find out the value of 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta. The coefficients are changed, sine and cos, their coefficients have changed, and sine also has been changed, minus it is given over there, and that value is equal to plus or minus 3. So this plus or minus 3 is my first hint that I get these values as plus and minus 3 when I do the square. Plus minus 3, right? Na? If x square is equal to 9, x can be equal to plus minus 3. Do you all remember that? So I got the idea of squaring it. So what I did, I thought let's square this part. So I thought, let's say I will square 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta whole square. But then I thought that if I square it, I will get 4 sine square theta plus 9 cos square theta plus 2 into 2 sine theta into 3 cos theta. Then I thought, yeah, 4 sine square theta is here, 9 cos square theta is there. So that sine square theta plus cos square theta, if I want to make it 1, coefficients are different, again there will be a problem. Again there will be a problem. But then I used my brain. I thought, ki sir, 2 sine theta, if I will do the square, so it will give me 4 sine square theta. And if I do the square of this 2 cos theta over here in this equation, then I will get 4 cos square theta. Sine square theta and cos square theta I can take common, right? Here 3 cos square theta will give me 9 cos square theta. 3 sin theta will give me 9 sin square theta. Again 9 I can take common, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. And here I will do 2 into 2 sin theta into 2 into 3 cos theta. Here I will get 2 into 3 sin theta into 2 cos theta, but that will be of negative because a minus b. So I thought, sir, if I will add the square of the both, I might get some benefit. So this is the logic we are adding these two. So in these kind of questions, we start with adding the square of both. So what happens over here? I will get 4 sine square theta plus 9 cos square theta plus 2 into 2 sine theta into cos theta. So 2 into 2 is 4 into 3 is 12. 12 sine theta cos theta, and here plus 9 sine square theta plus 4 cos, sorry, this is cos, 4 cos square theta, all right, minus 12 sine theta cos theta. As I have told you beta very well, देखो plus 12 minus 12 got cancelled. Now we can make pair. We can make pair. We see with this 4 sine square theta, with this 4 sine square theta, I can write 4 cos square theta from here. And with this 9 cos square theta, I can write 9 sine square theta over here, equal to. So this, if I take 4 common, I will be getting sine square theta plus cos square theta. And here, if I take 9 common, I will be getting sine square theta plus cos square theta. And sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, which is 4 plus 9, which is 13. So I got to know that value of this complete thing is 13. Value of this complete thing is 13. Now out of this complete thing, we already know 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is 2. We already know 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is 2. So directly if I replace the value of that as 2, I will get the remaining parts value. Bas, done the question. Okay, so we know that's a 2 sine theta. We just have solved 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta whole square plus 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta whole square is equal to 13. I know 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is 2. So 2 square plus 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta whole square is 13. 2 square is 4. Shift 4 over there. We got 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta whole square is 13 minus 4, which is 9. So I can clearly say, so 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta will be, if x square is equal to 9, x can be plus minus 3. Khatam. Done. How good this question is and how easy it is if you will understand the part. So in these kind of questions where sine and cos is given and their coefficients are exchanged, and in one value plus is given, the other one minus they are asking, this is the method. Add both the values and square it, you will get some answer. Replace the value in the second part, you will get the other values. All right, so very important question, very good question. Always you can see for the revision part. ठीक है बेटा? Okay, now let's go for the next question. Next question देखो क्या है. At a particular time when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees, the length of the shadow of a vertical tower is 45 meter. So we have a shadow over here. Sorry, we have a tower, let's say of x meters length. And when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees over here, let's say 30 degrees over here like this, we can say the shadow length is of 45 meters. All right, 45 meter. First thing, length of the tower, simple thing. But if it is theta, this is 90 degree. So I can say, sir, we need to find out perpendicular when base is given. So perpendicular and base, tan theta. So I can say so tan 30 degree is equal to x upon 45 perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 is what beta? 1 by root 3 is equal to x upon 45. Cross multiply beta, you will be getting your answer. X is equal to 45 by root 3. So if I'll simplify this, root 3 into root 3 if I'll do, so I'll be getting 45 root 3 by 3. This will be 15 times. So x is equal to 15 root 3 meters. So height of the tower is what? 15 root 3 meters. This is the height of the tower. This is the height of the tower. Second part, the length of the shadow of the same tower when the sun's altitude is 45 degree and 60 degree. So this time they are saying that the tower is same. That means this is 15 root 3. But this time the sun's elevation we have changed. In one case, it is 45 degree. So the length of shadow, let's say it is equal to y. Length of the shadow, second part, case 1. So I will say, sir, again, tan 45 degree will be equal to perpendicular is 15 root 3 by base, which is y, length of the shadow. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to 15 root 3 by y. So we got in this case, when 45 degree, length of the shadow will be same as the length of the tower. And when it is 60 degree, and when it is 60 degree, this is 15 root 3 and this is, let's say, z. So again this time I will say, so tan 60 degree is equal to 15 root 3 upon z. Tan 60 is what beta? Root 3 is equal to 15 root 3 upon z. Root 3 to root 3 got cancelled. Z is equal to 15 meters. Done. Khatam. What else? Nothing. और क्या चाहिए? Easy. कुछ है ही नहीं question में बेटा. Very easy part. Alright. Let's go for the next question now. They have taken it in the decimal. Normal कर दिया. Next question. The horizontal distance between two towers is 60 meters. The angle of the depression of the top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is 90 meters, find the height of the first tower. So they are saying there are two towers. Distance between them is 60 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first tower from when seen from the top of the second tower. ठीक है, मान लो this is ground. This is my first tower. This is my second tower. So from the second tower, when you look at the top of the first tower, the angle of depression. So angle of depression will be the line of sight and the horizontal line. So this angle of depression is given to be 30 degrees. Alright. And the distance between the towers is given as 60 meters. Alright. They are saying if the height of the second tower is 90 meters. Height of the second tower is how much? 90 meters, the taller one. Find the height of the first tower. Find the height of the first tower. This x we need to find it out. Alright beta. So what I will say, chalo sir, let us draw one more horizontal line over here as well. And I know then this distance will also be equal to x. So the remaining distance over here, let's say A, this is point B, this is C, this is D, this is E. So I can clearly say, sir, AC is equal to AB plus BC. I have told AC is 90, so AB I don't know, and I have taken BC by length of ED, and BC will be same because it is a rectangle. So BC is also what? X. So AB is equal to 90 minus X. Okay? And by vertically opposite angle, if this angle is 30, this angle will also be 30 degree. है ना? Simple सी बात है. So now I can say, sir, in triangle ABE, if I get the value of X, I will get the length of the height of the second tower. Okay, so sorry, first tower. So I have taken height of first tower, which is ED, as X meters. So I have to find out X. So in triangle ABE, I can say tan 30. I can say tan 30 degree will be equal to AB upon BE. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 90 minus X upon BE. BE, देखो बेटा, if CD is 60, BE will also be 60. By rectangle na, this BCD is a rectangle. So this is upon 60. So shift 60 over there. So 60 by root 3 is equal to 90 minus X. Let's solve this further. So we have got 60 by root 3 is equal to 90 minus X. So if I'll rationalize this part, root 3 into root 3. So it will become 60 root 3 upon 3, which is 20 root 3. So 20 root 3 is equal to 90 minus x. So x is equal to 90 minus 20 root 3. Simple. This will be your answer. 90 minus 20 root 3. So if you will take it in the decimal form, you will be getting around 55.36. So that will be the height of the tower. Alright. So this is all beta in today's class. Alright. In the next session, I'll be talking about more types of problems. So be ready for that as well. This is your homework question. Do let me know what this question, what will be the answer for this question. Read this question, draw a diagram as well. In this application part, drawing the diagram is very important. So draw the diagram as well and solve this question and let me know what will be your answer. All right. So this is all in today's class, beta. Remember, the GPE Pro is your code to get 50% off. Tomorrow at the same time, we are going to talk about trigonometry session 2. All right. And yesterday on the same time, we have done the mensuration topic as well. All right. So 50% off, you're getting very good deal right now. Do not miss it because it is a limited time offer, and you can, if you are supposed attending 5 or 6 classes every day, this is the price per class. And if you will take more class, this price will be further reduced. So it is very low right now, a very good say price at which you will get the course for 1 month, and you can do hardcore syllabus, hardcore revision you can do over there and get your the whole syllabus sorted. All right. So thank you so much, bachcho, for joining the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it and understood the questions as well. Please don't forget to like the video to show us your love. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye. See you soon.